Hello, my name is Nubia Angelica Alvarado Moreno. I present the development of Task Force. This activity is related to effects of technology on the environment. I think that climate change is a threat to humanity. I think that if consumerism continues, that effects of climate change are natural resources unexploited, deforestation, contaminated rivers, global temperature rise, endangered breeds, and extreme water change that think view every day. I think that consumerism continue, the global warming it will not stop. The population growth will continue without control, and rapid urbanization will cause a source of natural resource scarcity. The effect of climate change are responsibility of all human beings. It depends on our action to stop it. Caring for our planet guarantees a better future for all humanity.